Hey everybody, so today we are doing some beef chuck riblets, and it's hard to see the label, but it's riblets, and I got them for $4.73. So we are going to cook them just like ribs. I've never made beef riblets before. I've never even seen them at the store before, but for $4.73 you get 2 of these, and they are actually ribs that they've cut off the bigger ones. So I'm gonna rinse these. See if the silver skin pulls off as easily as pork ribs. Probably not, since I have a video going. But I thought I'd share this video because I know meat prices have gone through the roof. We still want to have nice meals, right? Might end up just leaving that on. Ow. Something inside my hand just popped. I have a ton of peaches I need to start prepping. I know you guys aren't fans of the cooking videos, but hoping that some people, you know, from my channel can get ideas for inexpensive cooking. So I have my oven set, preheated at 250 degrees. They're definitely not as easy to peel as pork. Since it's just me and my husband, I may leave this on. We can peel it off when we eat it. Low on patience right now. Oh, here we go. Maybe. Maybe. Thought we were gonna have sunshine, but there we go. All right. This weather makes me, I guess it's the pressure, I don't know. Makes me wimpy. It's a wimpy girl. Well, I'll eat that one. No big deal. No biggie. It's just for aesthetics anyways. Barbecue contest. I'm not in a contest. I just want dinner. So I made some rub. You can use your favorite rub or steak seasoning. I have the oven at 250. I think I said that. We're going to spread it on generously. This has salt, pepper, cayenne pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, cayenne, thyme, brown sugar. So getting that silver skin off helps you get the seasoning closer to the meat. And you may like these better than the big old Brontosaurus size beef ribs. Whenever I make those, I feel like I'm in an episode of the Flintstones. Get those sides. I'm gonna make some peach barbecue sauce and some peach hot sauce and some peach pie filling. So stay tuned for those videos. So I'm gonna put these in the oven at 250 degrees and just let them slow roast for about 2 to 3 hours. I will at 2 hours wiggle the bone and see where we're at, and then if they're tender, I will sauce them and broil them. Ideally I would finish them off on the grill or put them in the smoker, but I don't know what the weather's thinking. It says no rain, but over my house it's very dark. I feel like Schleprock. Do you guys know who Schleprock is? Anyways, I've had a dark cloud over the house for weeks. So I'll pop these in the oven and I'll see you guys when these are coming out. I'm gonna have pea salad and corn on the cob with these. So we'll see how beef riblets are. I'm sure they're delicious and they're cheap, $4.73. Alrighty, so here's what they look like now. See how they're pulling away from the bone? So now, I had this in the refrigerator, so I'm going to use it. I'm trying to use up everything I already have. That's always a lovely sound, isn't it, on camera? Flip them over. You can tell that one still has the silver skin and that one doesn't. But that's alright. Don't sweat the small stuff. If I were feeding this to company, it'd be a different story, but it's just me and hubby, and I don't mind. I'll eat that one. And then pop them back in your oven. Let the broiler get them caramelized. And dinner will be served. So this is some cheap barbecue. If you find riblets, pork, or beef, pick them up. This is 2 people for just under $5. We'll round it off to $5. I already have some pea salad from the other night. We'll have that. And some ears of corn that were 20 cents a piece. I sure miss the 10 for $1 days. So I'll get my corn going. Pop those under the broiler. And I'll show you our plate when it's made up. Okay, I'm getting the ribs. What I do? Oh. So there we go. I'm gonna cut them up. See if these scissors work. They're tender. Pea salad. And there we go, you guys. $5 barbecue dinner. So find you some riblets, pork, beef, whatever they got. Snag them up while you can. Have some barbecue. Enjoy the summer. Stay happy. Stay positive. Stock up on your groceries. Fill the freezer. Don't fill it with convenience foods, because if something happens, you can't can those. If something does happen, you can can over an open fire or anything. So, anyways, just wanted to share my discovery at the grocery store. If you see them, snag them. And if you have any questions, let me know down below. Share what you're doing to save money, what you're finding out there on sale. Stay safe, stay healthy. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video. We have some peach canning coming up. Several recipes. So, I will see you soon.